All you gotta do is stop going to sleep, and then you're gonna stop going to sleep. All you gotta do is stop fussing and cussing, and you're gonna stop fussing and cussing. No, what?
A simple YouTube channel, just a voice and a few visuals, can bring in thousands of dollars every single month. No camera, no editing, just smart use of AI. And the money keeps rolling in. For example, this channel, built with simple motivational content just like this, earns between $9,000 and $28,000 every single month. The structure is super simple, right? Just take a look at its quick stats. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Let me show you another channel. Take this one, for example. Its structure and content are quite similar to the previous one. Very simple, right? Now let's take a quick look at its stats. It makes around $7,000 to $21,000 every month. That's pretty amazing, and that's just from views. On top of that, these creators earn even more through brand deals, sponsorships, and product sales. So yes, the real value of a YouTube channel like this is massive, all built from simple videos just like these. And here's the secret. That's right. With just an idea, a simple script, and a few AI tools, you can create inspiring videos that teach, motivate, and generate income online. In this video, Market Vibe AI will walk you step by step through the process of turning a simple idea into a full video. From writing your script with ChatGPT to producing the entire video automatically using an AI video generator. Stay until the end of this video. I've got a special gift just for you. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest series from Market Vibe AI, where creativity meets technology and ideas turn into income. Step 1. Write your script with AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, all you need to do is enter a simple prompt like this. Write me a storytelling style video script on the topic, effective time management for busy people. Use an inspiring and conversational tone for an audience aged 25 to 50. About 100 words to use for the YouTube channel. AI will instantly generate an engaging opening like, opening scene. Ever feel like the day slips away before you even start? You wake up, rush through the morning, handle work, family, and somehow it's already night. But here's the truth. Time isn't the problem. Focus is. Imagine treating every hour like money in your wallet. You'd spend it wisely, right? Start with 3 priorities a day. Protect your mornings for what truly matters. Say no more often and yes only to what moves you forward. Because mastering time is really mastering yourself. Make time work for you, not against you. From here, you can ask AI to break it down into 3 to 5 key habits or translate it into the target language for your audience. In this case, English, for countries like the United States, the UK, or Australia. Step 2. Create the video with AI. Once your script is ready, go to the AI video platform you prefer. Here, I'm using AI Video Gen. It's beginner-friendly, fast, affordable, and even offers a trial version. You'll find the link to VideoGen in the description and pinned comment below. If you don't have a VideoGen account yet, it's super easy. Just sign up with your Gmail. And here's a special gift for you. Use the discount code AIHERES30 to save instantly. But hurry, I'm not sure how long this code will stay active. Let's begin. Go to the VideoGen homepage and click New Video. When it asks, how would you like to start? Choose either Co-Create with AI or Edit from Scratch. I'll choose Co-Create with AI. Paste your script into the Overview section. Set up your parameters like content sources, narration, and duration. If you're on a paid plan, you'll unlock all the pro features. Click Submit Overview. Wait a few seconds, and it will take you to the outline setup. In visual reference, you can upload your own images or use VideoGen's media library. Under VoiceOver, choose your preferred voice. There are plenty of male and female styles to match your brand. You can also click Add section to expand your content easily. Once everything's set, click Submit Outline. Within just a few minutes, your video will be fully generated, complete with natural voiceover, visuals, background music, and subtitles. Step 3. Optimize and publish. Now it's time to polish your video. Adjust the captions, pick a style you like. There are tons of modern professional templates to choose from. Add your title and on-screen text, align them properly, and preview the final look.
Us experience days that seem hurried and unproductive, yet the real issue is rarely a shortage of time. Instead, it's often a lack of focus that prevents us from making the most of each day.
Export your video in 4K quality for the best YouTube performance. Then upload it to your channel with an SEO-friendly title, description, and hashtags. If you want to go deeper, MarketVibe AI will keep releasing new videos showing you how to find trending and high-view topics, write scroll-stopping scripts, and monetize your channel faster using AI-powered tools. And that's it. With just AI plus your creativity, you can start your journey to making money with video, starting today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the upcoming tutorials from MarketVibe AI, where creativity meets technology and ideas turn into income.